Guys, so today we're going to take a look at Visorstash T2 by Oxford. This is a visor bag, has a pouch in the front of it, 2.5 litre, and pocket at the front, made from scratchy material, waterproof, easy to clean. Obviously carries one visor on the back of it, and then we'll take a look at the front here, just the pocket in the front. So obviously this pulls out. Obviously I've taken out the box, it will be flat. The zip goes the whole way around here. So obviously plenty of room in there for your wallet, maybe some loose change, passport, whatever. When you're on the bike, something that's easy to reach when you're obviously stopping in places for fuel, or even toll bridges or things like that. It's nice and easy to reach and easy to access. And obviously with a little pocket on the front, keeps it nice tucked away as well, and out of sight. So strap for the outside, obviously clip around your waist. Pocket on the back, as I mentioned, for visor. Material on that, the inside of that, nice and soft, so it won't scratch up your visor. Keep it right. Easy to fold up and store away. It doesn't take up much space if you needed to obviously bring it with you. If you're out, you do a lot of bike trips, and tendency maybe to go out when it's nice and sunny and obviously it's dark in the evening, it's handy to be able to take a second visor with you. So that's why I bought this product, because there's room at the front of it, obviously, to store wallet, passport, loose change. 2.5 litres, you can fit a good bit of stuff in there. You can fit your phone in it as well if you wanted, if you didn't want to be obviously mounting your phone on the front of the bike or anything like that. It's nice, and obviously it's waterproof, scratchy material. So, and then obviously the soft liner in there for the visor. I think it's just nice and handy to have it with you. Easy just to strap on and go, as opposed to tail bags and all that kind of stuff, or backpacks and throwing visors in and worrying about them. Because this obviously contours around your waist, it means that you're not obviously interfering with the shape of the visor. So would I recommend it? Yeah, I would. I think obviously if you're someone that likes to be wearing your dark visor, or hates when the sun comes out and you're stuck with your clear visor and don't like wearing shades behind your clear visor, definitely something to consider, because obviously it allows you to bring a spare visor with you, and it obviously gives you that, instead of carrying change and wallets and everything in your backpack, little pocket on the front. So neat and tidy on the bike. I would recommend it, and stay tuned because we're doing more content. Thanks for watching, guys.